Hello students, let's start the difference between getchar and scanf and see. Before we start this session, please subscribe this channel. Please subscribe this channel. So let's start getchar and scanf. Variable equal to getchar function. It will read only single character from the keyboard, and when user will press enter, then it will store the entered character into the variable. It reads a single character from the keyboard at a time and stores entered character into the variable when we press the enter key. And entered data can be printed using putchar function. Putchar function will print only data entered through getchar. Putchar function will print only a one character variable, a variable that is containing only a single character. Only that variable can be printed using putchar function. In C++, it needs special library string.h. Now we learn program. We learn program getchar function. Hash include stdio.h void main curly bracket. Gender is the variable name. It will allow us to take on maximum 100 characters. Printf function, it will print the message what's your gender m or f. It will show this message on the screen. And getchar function will read data entered by the user. It will read only single character. It will read only first character of the entered data. And so, what is the function of getchar? Getchar function takes only single character and stores that character into the variable name. Gender here is the variable name. And putchar function will print that entered character on the screen. Putchar function print the data of gender variable on the screen. Gender variable will have only single character. Because our variable is containing only single character, so why to declare 100? So it needs not dimension. Here we will not give the number of characters using square brackets. Take this thing specially in notice. And so but have we understood? Getchar function will read only single character from the keyboard and store it into the variable. And putchar function will print a single character onto the screen. Okay? And printf you are male, this message will come on screen. And then gender variable data will be printed on screen once again. And rather than using two statements, we can use only single statement. These two statements are printing messages separately. But this last single statement can print both messages in at one time. Okay, so we have learned about getchar function. Now we come to scanf function. Scanf for %c ampersand variable. It uses format specifier, scanf function. And it takes ampersand sign with variable name. Scanf function will read only single character from the keyboard at a time and stores entered data. Enter data means entered character. Enter data means enter character into variable. Okay. After getting enter button pressed, it will store the entered character into variable when we press the enter button. Otherwise, it does not store until we press enter button. Okay. Now we learn its program. In the same way, hash include void main char gender is the variable name we have declared and we need not dimension. This is called dimension of variable. Here we need not give the size of gender variable. We need not give the number of characters that will gender variable will store. If we don't give the number of characters, then gender or variable automatically takes single character, allows us to take single character. So %C format specifier is used when we want to take a single character from the keyboard. So scanf function we know. We have learned scanf function reads single character and stores the single character into gender variable. And we are printing messages and data stored in gender. And printf, your gender is %C gender variable name. This is printing same message in a single statement using single statement. So have a nice time and I end this session. So please subscribe this channel